So the first step on our journey is to set up a search on my website. So that enables you to look at all types of properties at any time, um, and it will be a good tool for you. So I'm doing initials home search 2021. So whatever your initials are should be the login. And of course, you accept, and then I will get you all set up. Hi, so here is what a brief rundown of what it's going to be when we have a consultation. I can do this in my office live and in person, or we can do this via Zoom. First of all, I need to get some background, what your time frame looks like, what your budget, if you're already speaking with a lender, what your neighborhood, your areas that you like, and of course, what type of house you're looking for. So these are all important steps that are what we need to have on your journey to find the perfect home. So this is my website, and on this, there's a lot of helpful tools for you. Our first step after getting a little bit of background is to sign you up with a search, and this allows you to control what you will be searching for. Um, this is an up-to-date home search, and it is something that you can access at any time on your phone or on your computer. So I have a login already, so I'm going to show you what mine looks like and how to set up a search. So this will get your criteria going, and you can start on your journey. So here we are, same type of screen, but it has city, the neighborhood, address, what you're looking for, if you're looking even for sale or for rent, and you want to look at these different things. So since we're in Port St. Lucie, I can take a look at it and bring up the neighborhood. So just type in the city, and then it does bring you a map up, and you can see all of the houses that are for sale in the area. But say you're looking in a particular zip code or in a particular location, this is up in the 34986 location. So you can dial into the neighborhoods and just keep going tighter and tighter as you get onto these little highlight features will come up. And this is the Torino area. So if you click on that, it will send you to all of the houses that are in Torino. New construction, it's already pending, virtual tour. So you can see many different things that are already here and for sale and the prices. So you can look through them. If you want to get it a little more accurate to what you're looking for, you can click on any of these and set up your criteria. So of course you want something that's for sale. You can look at the price point and say you don't want to go over 450,000. And then you can look at the property type. You're just looking at houses. You want at least 3 bedrooms, at least 2 baths. And then you can look at square footage. So nothing, say nothing less than 29 and at least 1,700. So that's quite a range there. You can do the acres. I mean, most all of them are on quarter acre, but if you're looking for more land, you can specify that. Year built, you can specify as well. If you want specifically, you're looking for a pool, then you would put that in as well. And go through and look at all of the different um, things that are here. So then you would save your search, and it's in the Torino area in Port St. Lucie. Email notifications, and you can adjust them to instant as soon as they pop on the market to get something that's hot. Or if you just want to check it daily or weekly or even monthly just to keep an eye on the market, then you can do that as well, depending on what your time frame is and what your criteria is. So save search, super easy. And there you go. Then you're going to get notifications. If you want different neighborhoods, of course, you can draw an area. You can click on different spots and look at different areas as well. Also on the website, I have a lot of different tips, but another great thing is the mortgage calculator. So if you're trying to figure out what your payments are going to be, here's a great little tool. That last house was, I think, 425. So say you wanted to look at that, and you can do your down payment. Say it's 10%. So you would have your loan amount. Put in your interest rate again if you've already spoken with your lender. If not, I think today's rates were about 3.9. Of course, it's going to fluctuate depending on different criteria. Start date, you probably are going to be closing at least 30 days out. So we'll put March. Whatever the property taxes are, again, that would be on that would be out on their on the search, and your PMI, your home insurance, and of course in Torino, there is no HOA. So you have a breakdown here of what your estimated monthly payment's going to be, and a breakdown of your taxes, your homeowner's insurance. You will need PMI because you're only putting 10% down. And just has a nice little breakdown for you so that you can go through that. So we've got some helpful tips. I also have a guide, and I have a school search. So there's a lot of different little things on my site. So the buyer consultation, I'll go through step by step. You can ask me as many questions as you want, and we can get started. So thanks for tuning in. Bye.